My name's Eric, and I work in this factory. But it's Friday night, and I've been dreaming of the mountains all week long. Let's get out of here and hit the highway.
It's no wonder my friends and family think I'm crazy. It's Friday night. I'm supposed to be going to my sister's house to help her with a plumbing job first thing in the morning. She doesn't know it yet, but the factory let out early. I'm going to Virginia. I want to get a picture of McAfee knobs. Let's go for a ride, get us a picture, turn up the radio, and hit the highway. After midnight, we made it to the Trailhead parking lot here for McAfee Knob. Super easy to get to. It's only a couple miles right off of the Interstate 81 here in Virginia. It's dark, so the plan is for me to relax here for a few hours. I'm going to set my alarm for 2:30 a.m. and then we have a 4-hour night hike up to McAfee Knob for hopefully what is a beautiful, beautiful sunrise. There is some rain in the forecast, 50% chance. I don't care. It's part of the adventure. So, anyway, let me get some Z's here in the parking lot, set my alarm, and we'll head up the trail here, do some night hiking in a few hours. It's 5 a.m. We made it to the top of the knob. It's still dark, so you guys can't see nothing. As soon as the sun comes up, I'll show you. Just gonna lay back here and hang out. Give me a minute. It's starting to rain up here on the knob this morning. As you can see, it's clouded over and overcast. There's not much of a sunrise behind us. It was still a beautiful hike up here. It's a really epic spot. There's beautiful panoramic 270-degree views of the valley here in Virginia. You can see forever, and it's simply amazing. It's a very popular spot, but when you get up here to the knob, there's several kind of separated overhangs that you can have your own little private area for viewing the valley. And I'm just gonna sit back and relax and continue to watch it. Here's a sweeping look back down the knob. There's a good look at the prominence, how far it sticks out over the edge. I want to thank everybody for following along this far. It was a great time up there at the McAfee knob. I highly recommend it for anybody. It's a moderate hike, 8 miles round trip, can easily be done as a day trip with a day pack. The views at the top were epic. It's starting to rain now, so we're boogieing back down the mountain, trying to get back to the car as quick as we can. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. That was a pretty pathetic sunrise. I'd say I got skunked. Amateur attempts. Here's a few bonus scenes I got for you guys. I came back on a sunny day, so enjoy.
You got me acting out. All tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight.